to introduce our next speaker. Most of you might have heard him, our business doctor. And only for new people, he may need introduction. But I will still like to introduce formally our next speaker, the business doctor, Mr. C.S. Shantan Malashettar. His qualifications: he's a graduate in commerce from Madras University. He's qualified company secretary from ICSI. He's a strategic consultant from IIM Bangalore. He's marketing analytics from University of California and Berkeley. He's master's in business laws from National Law School, Bangalore, pursuing Six Sigma from ISEL. He is currently serving as a founder, director of iSpeak Corporate Services Private Limited. He is a director at RedSat in Events Private Limited. He is a non-executive director in HIPL Private Limited and FIS MAKI Global Private Limited. He is also a corporate consultant and advisor in multiple verticals of industry. He is ex-vice president and director at SLS Private Limited. He has won many awards and he constantly appears in TV shows. And here it is, our business doctor, Mr. Shantan Malashettar. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, DRF, for an amazing introduction as usual for me. Well, good morning, idea. It's 11:48. Still, smile is missing. I'm sure Mrs. Lakshmi has given an amazing presentation. So can we give a round of applause to her as such? Thank you. So it makes a whole lot of difference for us to understand where we are. In fact, the roots, makes a complete difference. And in fact, today's presentation, I have just a couple of areas to remind you about how you can utilize IDEA to the max. Now, as a trainer, as a mentor for IDEA, my agenda will stick to one thing. Wherever you are, maximum utilization of that place should have happened. That will make a complete difference. And for that to happen, I'm here trying to give a small explanation. But unfortunately or fortunately, my entire presentation is connected back to business. There's a saying, always they say that whenever you are a hotelier, whenever you are into hotel industry, always you go to your son. And if he's wasting time, we'll say that because of you only I'm at loss. Our tendency will be connected with our profession. Because of you only, I'm not able to make profit. Or if you talk to a CA, he will scold his son. My profitability statement is always expensive because of you. Why? Our profession is somehow connecting in a language what we talk. So is my case. Today when I'm talking, my entire session will be connected with your business. So take it in the way you want it. If you are an IDEA member, you will understand how our IDEA tools can be utilized much better. Because now that you have understood what IDEA tools are. If you are a non-IDEA member, this entire session will be like a business session for you, where you will understand how you can take your business ahead. So this is an entire session which I'm trying to take ahead. I'm sure you're active and you're excited too, because I'm not talking about anyone else. I'm talking about you and your business. All set? So can we have a quick thumbs up digitally? That's nice. Thank you. Well, let me pose my first question even before I proceed with a simple question. If at all answer is yes, raise your hand. Simple. Who runs your business? Answer me. If at all you're running your entire business successfully, raise your hand. Who runs your business? Okay, we have members raising their hand. Okay, good. Thank you. Now, the problem with me is I'll be very transparent because I'm talking about your business. So I can't leave anything unidle and untouched. Well, a lot of members are saying you run your business. Congratulations. If your business is run by you, that is exactly why you're burning your business. Now, obviously, you'll be annoyed on me for answering. I'll give you the suggestion. If you keep running your business, it means you're burning your business. I'll tell you why. The simple logic is, if you're busy in running your business, who will grow your business then? There should be a team which runs your business, and you should monitor and you should grow your business. As a successful entrepreneur, your time in running the business should be super limited. Only then you'll be able to grow your business. So it means your presence is required to growth. Now, when I'm talking about it, I got reminded of one of a great entrepreneur. I'm sure you have heard of Dr. V.G. Siddharth, who was MD for CCD, Cafe Coffee Day. On his demise, when a lot of statements were coming, one of his statements I recall, it was a shocking statement when he said, entrepreneurs won't retire, they die. It was such a shocking statement. He said, entrepreneurs won't retire, they die. When I started understanding why is he making such a harsh statement, why is he believing that entrepreneurs won't retire, why do you think that entrepreneurs keep working, that is when I realized one thing. Our statistics which says more than 78% of Indian SMEs are bleeding, are at losses. When I say 78% of Indian SMEs, you know how much are they? 52 million SMEs. Out of them, 78% of them are in loss. Don't you think something significantly that is wrong? Don't you think something majorly we are going wrong? Then definitely you'll ask, why is that so? Where is that we are going wrong? Simple. The problem is we still run and we still understand there are two kinds of business. I don't know where you stand in. You need to assess yourself after my statement. There are two kinds of business, how it is run. One, which is called as TTS, other one, which is called as MTS. TTS, which is called as traditional trade system. Traditional trade system, that's a TTS, which most of us are running over generations together. Now, is that wrong? No, it is not wrong. That is the reason where the slow pace is there, because today's market is running so aggressively, so fast. And if I don't run accordingly, if I am matching with the standard, I may be left behind. Doesn't mean you follow the market. Just let you be a trend setter. On the other hand, you should be in sync with the market. So it means most of us are busy in traditional trade system, because of which our lagging is higher. Then what are we supposed to do? That is where market comes in. Today, at least we are supposed to go into MTS. That's a modern trade system. When we speak about modern trade system, we should understand business has evolved over a period of time. My question is, did you evolve? Did your business evolve? Are you still running in a traditional way of how hierarchy system ran, of how I will control the business, of how I will manage everything? If you do everything, if you control everything, if you manage everything, if you run the show for every time, then that is again a reason where I say we are in traditional trade system. So are you saying, does that mean that is wrong? No, I'm not saying it is not wrong. I'm only saying that we can at least equip, we can at least modulate along with the modern trade system. Then you'll definitely ask, how will we go into modern trade system? How MTS can be applicable in my business? Before I go for it, let me ask this question. How many of you are into TTS and how many of you are into MTS? Go to chat box, hit TTS or MTS. What are you following? Let us be sincere. Okay, Karthik says he's into modern trade system. Okay, let me see how many are into TTS. Dinakar again into MTS. Okay. Okay, Mr. Rangnath also is into MTS. Again, Gautam is also into MTS. That's surprising. TTS trying for MTS. Okay, dear are being much more honest. Well, so it means a lot of you are into MTS. Let me enlighten again something more about your MTS, because a couple of them who didn't respond, a couple of them are feeling that have not moved or in the process of moving. Let me throw some light about how you can move from TTS to MTS, or how you can elevate from the existing MTS to the updated MTS. How you can do it is a process which I will throw some light about. That's where I said that either if you're a part of Idea member, you will understand what I'm talking from Idea sense. If you're non-Idea member, you will understand from business sense. For both of it, this session makes a complete difference. For some time, I bet at the end of the session, you will either grow on a business prospect or you will utilize as an idea prospect. Let me see how far it goes on going forward. Now, if I want to make you understand how MTS works on, that's where again I cross question you. Do not ask a question ever in business how to do it. Because until and unless if I keep asking how to do it, the process will fail. I'll tell you why. I always believe in one concept which I wrote for myself. First, ask why and then ask how. I repeat, first ask why and then ask how, because until and unless you're not asking the question why, you will never know the purpose. You will never know why is it you're trying to do it. Then I'll become like my fourth standard, education system where I was there. I used to follow what my ma'am used to say. I never asked why. She never said why. And I was busy in how, and she was busy in teaching how. I'm not saying about everyone, but our major education system falls in asking and answering how. Stop doing that. Go and ask why. Now, if you ask me that question, why we need MTS or why we need to get updated in MTS, let me answer in this way. Today, we need MTS more than ever. Today, we need MTS more than ever because modern trade system, the major modern trade system today's economy has emerged into is networking system. No, sir, networking was there almost for decades now. Exactly. Since decade it was there, but now we need more than ever. Is exactly where I'm trying to throw some light on. I'm sure you have heard of this person called as Richard Branson, who was part of this Virgin, mobiles or your airplanes, and he is almost managing more than 200 plus ventures sole-handedly. Now, when I say sole-handed, Richard Branson is the brand ambassador for all this 200 business. Under him, there are thousands of employees who are working and making crores of turnover. Irrespective of it, what he follows is MTS. In one of his statements, he told, look, when we are working in a company, we are ready to wait for 40 years to grow. I repeat, when we are working in a company, we are ready to wait 40 years for us to grow, but we never complain. We are satisfied with that meager hike in our salary. We are happy with that small promotion which we get. We are happy with that small activities which we do, and we wait. But when we come into networking system, I'll join today. Within 2 months, I'll call up and say, sir, you told business will come in network. I didn't get any business. Why is that? We don't have patience enough for 2 months. After 6 months, we'll say, I think this is not working out. I'm ready there to wait for 40 years to slog for small hike. But here I'm not ready to wait for 6 months and I'll come back and question, why didn't I get business? My question to you is, how much did you involve to get the business? Is it sufficient for me to just pronounce and live it? No. Even if Salman Khan forgets to make a movie for 2 years continuously, we will forget who he is and who are me and you here. Such a brand also requires identity. That is why every now and then they'll keep coming in media. They'll create a visibility. They'll say that I am here. Therefore, for some nuisance or nonsense or for something which makes sense, they will keep coming every now and then. Now, how is that you're making your utilization? So coming to that point about network makes a difference, and now more than ever. That is exactly where we come here for the reason network is equal to net worth. This is an age-old statement. I'm sure you have heard 100 times. But I believe network is net worth, but contacts is your cash flow. I repeat, if network is your net worth, your contacts is your cash flow. For the simple reason, net worth speaks about cash items and non-cash items. If you are a commerce student, you can appreciate it. If at all you are into a commerce student, or if your contact is there, that's a cash flow. That is something which you will get it physically or in a real term. Today's world is running behind unrealistic terms in the name of money. Money is not real. That's an unreal term. No, I'm not speaking materialistically, but money is an unreal term. But cash flow is the realistic term which hits your account and which makes a difference in your account. That is the reason I say in modern trade system, the first policy which you need to follow is develop your contacts, which will make you a long-term investment space. Develop your contacts in such a way which will make a difference in your business. And if that has to happen, the first thing which you need to follow is develop your contacts. So be in a network and develop your contacts. So being in network is not sufficient, or joining a network business is not sufficient. You need to develop your contacts as well. And that is your long-term investment which you're talking about. So it means my first learning for the day is be in the network and develop your contacts for the long-term investment. And that makes a difference in your business for you to be taking it ahead. Second and the most important thing. Now you will definitely ask me, sir, I have a lot of contacts. In fact, in my home, there are 3 yellow pages. Don't you think that is sufficient? In fact, now Nagaraj is also giving this idea as a directory. Don't you think now I have it already? Then why should I be part of the network? That's good. Then you will ask me, what should I do with the contacts? That's an amazing question. What should I do out of it? When you're asking what should I do out of it, that's a very nice question. Let me answer you this way, what you need to do it. Because first we understood why we need it, where we said that modern trade system will make a complete difference to you. And now you're asking what should I do out of the contact? Let me answer it this way. Using your contacts, you need to train them. You need to educate them. You need to promote about your product, because all these members in IDEA are your marketing team, are something which you make a difference with, are the one who will market your product outside. And unfortunately, we are busy in saying what others don't understand. What do you do? Sir, I sell so-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so. So, so-and-so, so-and-so, so-and-so. Thank you. Neither you understood nor I understood. But I utilized my 30 seconds. Most of us are busy in doing it because we are not trying to educate. Don't answer because you know it. Answer because you're supposed to train the other person. Only then I'll be able to make a difference. Only then I'll be able to understand. When a lot of members were again today trying to explain about what they do, only a couple of them took an initiative to say where exactly the problem comes and exactly I'll be able to hit you. That space is more important. So it means what you do with the contacts is what happens in any networking system. The moment you come into networking, for example, you are part of IDEA now, I'm sure that every month you had a training sessions going on. You had a seminars going on, you had a business development things going on. It might be in a 20 lakh crore package, or it might be about your communication. It might be about selling. Every month there are trainings happening. Why? Because that is how you will understand how to utilize your contacts, and what to do with your contacts is what is being trained. And in short, as Mrs. Lakshmi was rightly saying, that this is a group marketing platform. This is a place where most of them will market your product. So it means when you come into this platform, we will not say that you have joined. It's up to you now. No, the moment you join, it is a platform. It is an IDEA which takes a responsibility to say that, look, you're part of this group marketing. Even you need to train yourself. Even you need to get equipped yourself. If you are not getting equipped, new tools are being introduced. New styles are being introduced. New kind of mentoring is being introduced, because that makes a difference. Coming to your business point of view, that is exactly what you need to do. It is not sufficient to have a yellow pages with you. What you did with that yellow pages makes a difference. And I'm sure that from years together you have yellow pages, and I'm also sure not more than 10% of your yellow pages is your contact list. If that is the case, what was the point of having an yellow pages at all? No. That's where I'm saying that you need to be utilizing, and what to utilize and how to utilize is where IDEA came into picture to utilize it and help you. So it means your second policy is, with your marketing team, don't just convey, train them, educate them, make them in a position to promote them. If you are able to make TEM, train, educate, and promote, done. That is exactly what you need to do with your marketing team. If you have a business, if you are not part of IDEA, you will understand. Your marketing team has to be trained and educated. If you're part of IDEA, I'm sure you know what exactly is happening. That's exactly what is being done. Because most of them, when I asked for the first time, what is this IDEA? They said, sir, meeting, sir. No, what happens in a meeting, sir? If this is a way where you're trying to convey, how will your visitor understand what is happening here? That is exactly what we are trying to say. You need to be mentored, and you need to mentor the one who's coming in. Because this is a platform where you need to give an amazing experience to them. Only then they'll continue being part of it. So my second thing, ensure that you make them understand there's a group marketing place where each other will try to promote the other person. Third and the most important thing. Now, I was asking one of them who said that, sir, you can come for IDEA. I asked why. Sir, there you have a lot of members. Whatever you do, you can sell it to them. I told, can I sell to them? I said, yes, sir, you can sell it to them. Oh, is it a selling platform? No, sir, it is not selling platform, but you can sell it. Why would I sell if it is not a selling platform? The third and most important thing for all the IDEA members here, this is not a selling platform. This is not at all a selling platform. Understand? For example, let me give it in a nominal sense. Assume you have a grocery store. Assume you have a provision store or a kirana store, which we call. Assume you have a grocery store. Now, if I ask you, why did you open your grocery store? Will you say that, sir, my family requires grocery, so I opened a grocery store? Sir, my relatives require a grocery, so I opened. Will you say? Never. I didn't open my grocery store to sell it to my family, but I opened grocery store. Incidentally, my family also requires, I will give it. Incidentally, my relatives also requires, I'll give it. But the purpose of opening this grocery store is not to sell it to my relatives. In the same way, members here are incidentally selling. For example, if I want an insurance, I'll ask someone. If I want a sanitizing connect, I'll ask someone. Doesn't mean I came here to only sell to them, or doesn't mean I came only to buy from them, because this is my marketing team. I'll have 80 to 100 members who will sell my product. So you are here to build your marketing team, but not to sell it. So let your primary objective not be to sell to these members. Let your secondary objective be to sell to this member. Instead, as I said, that if I want insurance, why will I go elsewhere? If at all idea member is there, I will try getting connected with him. It means you need to look at it and say, this is your marketing team. Will you ever sell your products to your marketing team in your company? No. Why? Because your marketing team is there to sell your product, but it is not created because you need to sell it to your marketing team. That is exactly what I'm trying to say. Your grocery store is to sell it to others. Incidentally, you will also sell it to your family. That is exactly what we do. So the third point here is, Idea platform is not your selling platform. This is a platform where you will create a network where you're training your members, and these members will help you to sell your product outside. But this is a group marketing platform. So let me break a third myth. This is not a selling platform. This is a group marketing platform. Fourth. Now, in this point, let me try taking you a bit more for you to say how this is a promoting platform and not a selling platform. You remember? Let me ask this. How many of you are married? Can you raise your question? Hand. How many of you are married? Okay. Couple of them are hesitant to even say they are married. Okay. Don't worry. Mistake happens. Well, if you're married, go to that day when your horoscope was printed, where your neighbors were pressurizing. Oh, till now is not married, is it? Oh my God. Oh, your relative. Age bar aipotundi. Ensure that you are getting married very soon. When the whole lot of pressure was coming, I observed two people. One, my mom. Other one was my dad. My dad came next to me and said, so I know when he sat, I was with the pleasure. I thought he'll speak about marriage. He slowly uttered, "Are you fit to get married?" I was like, the way he came, I thought he's encouraging. But the question he asked was not even in sync with me. On the other hand, my mom came and sat next to me and said, "You will definitely get a beautiful queen. Don't worry about it." Now, that's a way difference between a dad and mom, irrespective of it. That happened. At the end of it, we all sat together, built a horoscope, and gave it on agent or a matrimony. What we did, we tried asking him to connect it. So this fellow went house to house, or his contacts, he opened it and he connected. Now, if I ask you, was that agent selling or marketing? Was your relatives giving a horoscope to a lot of people? Are they selling or marketing? They are marketing you, and they are not selling you. That's a whole lot of difference. Selling and marketing are two different. Marketing is promoting your product, conveying about your product, communicating your product, but they are not selling it. Selling is closing a deal. When you go sit in front of that alliance, when you sit in that session, when you look at her and then talk to her, that is when closing of the deal is happening. So it means until you go sit in front of her and talk to her and close the deal, that is not a sale. So you are only promoting. So it means, understand, all your idea members are only promoters or only marketeers, and they're not selling it. Understand the difference? So it means that agent who was taking your horoscope was only marketing you, was not selling it. So it means these members are your marketing team. These members are your marketing team who are trying to promote it. So it means even in your business, when your marketing team goes conveying about your product, they're not your sales team. They convey it, they communicate it. Then when you go, or when your sales team goes and closes the deal, that is your sales team. But here in Idea, please do not come with an intention of closing the deal. Here, people are there for you to market it, promote it, brand it. That is exactly why your team is here. So don't get confused. Please be here with an intention that you will get a marketing team here. Now, where will the selling happen then, sir? If at all you need to sell, you need to sit closely. For example, if Mr. Bhimsen Kulkarni will give you a connect to DRR. When he gives it to DRR, Bhimsen's connect was done, or his job is completed when the marketing is being conveyed. That's it. It's job of DRR to sell the product, close the product, deal with the product. That is the responsibility of you or DRR. That's how a member has to work. So here you're coming to market it. Now the second and important question is, now that a marketing is done, now that idea member has connected you with one other member, now it's time for it to be closing a deal where you will go and set. Now understand, it's your responsibility. When Bhimsen Kulkarni has connected to DRR, DRR has to maintain two responsibilities. One, closing a deal because his company is waiting for it. Two, maintaining a rapport because Bhimsen has given a good connect. Because when Bhimsen is given, he'll give it a good intention. And if you go there, fight with them, collapse with them, and make a misbehave with them, then what happens? It is not just about your rapport. Next time, Mr. Bhimsen's rapport also will be lost. To ensure that is not happening, you should maintain the rapport of the one who has given connect and maintain in a dignified manner. Second, as a member, try closing a deal because he has trusted you and given a contact. Try closing a deal. Now, this is where the biggest challenge will come. I'll say you, even if you are a businessman, don't make the mistake which I'm talking now. I'm about to say you some important things. Don't make this mistake. Assume when we went to, Alliance, assume when I went to Alliance, where I went to look at a girl, my mom, my dad, my relatives, everyone were there, and she and her relatives, everyone are there. Now imagine your Alliance. Don't imagine my Alliance now. Now, when I'm looking at the situation and observing it, I saw her to be so beautiful. My mom saw she's so cultured. My dad saw, I think they're well mannered. Now we are convinced. My family is completely convinced that this is a girl who has to come to our house as my wife. Now I'm convinced. My mom is convinced. My dad is convinced. Now this is where most businessmen will go wrong, or this is exactly where even in Alliance things will go wrong. When my mom is excited, she started praising too much. She started saying so much about, he's so well educated, he earns so much, he is such a person, you will never get it. My dad started to say that, no, you will, he is the best. Suddenly my dad started to be my promoter. Till date he was scolding me. Now he also became promoter. Now look at the situation. It is so embarrassing to the person who's sitting in front of you. That, if at all you're trying to oversell, if you're trying to overstate about yourself, that is when they'll get a doubt. I think something is wrong, I guess. Why is that they're saying so much about it? I think something is wrong. Anyway, let me get back to you. The moment someone says, let me get back to you, either half of it, they're convinced they don't want to come back to you, or they want a reason to push this ahead. That is exactly what we do even in business. Even in business, we are busy overselling it. Don't oversell. Why is that you're overselling? Rather, educate the customer. Understand the requirement of the customer. When Mr. Bhimsen connected, it was the responsibility of DRR to ask Bhimsen, what is that they're looking? What is their requirement? How is that I can help? Make a background check and then sit in front of them and try closing a deal. Why will it not get closed? Be patient and make the other person feel comfortable. The other person should not feel, next time I'll not call Bhimsen at all. The moment I give DRR oversold it, I'm not convinced. That is exactly what we do a mistake. Ensure you will not oversell it, because here is a platform where we are connecting, where members are connecting. So please ensure don't oversell. Try conveying about your product. So it means this is one of IDEA's important points. Don't sell, but focus on what customer is wanting to buy. I repeat, don't sell, but focus on what customer wants to buy. That is exactly what people are trying to do over here. That's what exactly members are trying to do here. Now, I spoke too much about DRR. Doesn't mean that you don't give a connect to DRR. DRR is amazing in closing. Please pass for his Google construction. He will make a good deal for you as such. Next, the sixth and important area which we again want to focus is who you are defines who you can be. Most of the time, what you are or who you are actually defines who you can be. Imagine I will only come to platforms like IDEA and keep asking connect. Someone please connect me. Someone please connect me. Someone please. If every time someone is connecting you, what are you doing? Whom did you connect? That is exactly what we speak about. I never said that. As a businessman, you should be super shrewd in getting business. And also as a humanity ground, you should also understand you should give as well. Do not come only to gather, also be in a position to give. So please keep giving, please keep gaining. If you get 5 contracts, at least give 2. If you get 10 contracts, at least give 4. So it means on one hand, you should keep taking. On the other hand, you should keep giving. When you go to temple, when you go to church, even there, you offer something to God. Why? Then did God ask you? No, but you offered him. Why? See, if I offer, I know God will do me. I'll not eat something for so many days. I'll not talk to someone for so many days. I'll give so much of amount for so much to you. When you're offering a bribe to God, asking something, here people are not even asking you a bribe. They're only asking, when I connect you or when I keep connecting you, ensure that you also do the same to me. That is when it matters. I never said that you don't get business. I only said that when you're getting, also give business. That is what we say. What you think about others, and others will also start thinking about you the same. Others will start having the same opinion about you, provided you'll be able to make the difference. Yes, Ramakrishna, you'll get a definitely all the summary of it. Entire pointers, we'll give it as a summary. This is a bullet which we'll try sharing it. But before that, to understand, I'm trying to give it as much as you do it. So ensure members, you try giving as much as possible, but don't stop getting. If you're not getting, you will not continue being anywhere else. Because even 5 times I'll pray God. At least once if God gives, no, I'll again pray 5 times more. If God never gives, I'll never go to God as well. When I don't go to God as well, why will you come back to idea or any such platform? So ensure that you keep getting and you ensure that you keep giving. So it means 6 point, what you think about others and what you do to others, others will also do the same. 7, I'll give a personal experience over here. Heard of this company called as H&M? H&M is one of the garment-based company, which is a MNC-based, which is, I think, a Swiss-based company, which is catered. I think it is one of the most important company, especially for ladies, because their amazing garments is there, and it's one of an international company. I remember when me and my wife went for a deal over there, when she spoke about, I have this requirement, I had 2 options. 1, I can say, yes, I'll do it. 2, I can say, I can connect you who does this. Now, when I go there, imagine I will say that, no, I'll not do it. Thank you. And I come back. I could have done that. Or I did one more thing. Look, I don't do this, but I have a person who can do it, who's genuine and who's respectable. I'll connect you. She said, okay. And I connected him. He did an amazing job. You'll not believe. Today, even I'm her client. Even my friend is a client. The simple reason is I didn't sell my product there, even though I didn't do it. Along with that, I didn't say no to her. Rather, I supported in where she required. So it means in H&M deal, I cracked it for me and for my person. Also, I built my credibility over there. It means you need to go there as a team. Imagine someone is constructing a house and you are an architect. And when you go there, they will say that I was actually looking for an electrician. You had 2 options. 1, you can say, look, I'm an architect. Thank you. And come back. Or you can say, I have a person who's an electrician, idea member. I know him personally. I'll connect you. And if you would have connected for electrician, 1, he got business. 2, you built your credibility. Who knows that you may get business, but even now, if you don't get a business, at least you built a credibility with the electrician and with the person who spoke to you. It means always go with a team, with a set of members who will represent you, provided you authenticate it, you check about it. I never said that go and promote every member. I said, if you would have authenticated them, then do it. So it means you go with your team. Now, if you remember today, that business directory was built to you. Why do you think that directory is given? Imagine that person in that meeting in H&M when they ask, I'll say that, okay, I'll connect you and forget it. Rather, wherever you go, you take that directory with you. When they ask, open it and say, this is a member who does, and I can authenticate and I can coach it and then pass it on then and there. And if possible, leave that directory there itself. That lady, if she wants anything else, she can look into that directory and call you to get them connected. It means you went for one connect, you gave an entire idea team as a network there. Imagine the way you will be able to build your credibility. That is exactly why the directory is there. So directory is not there for you to look at and keep it with you. That is not for you. That is for an outsider. So whenever you get a soft copy of a directory as well, take this directory wherever you go for meeting, hand it over, connect with them and close it. That is exactly where you will be able to make a difference. So you are not only you are as a team in idea. So when you're part of idea is trying to promote it, saying that you don't go and crack a deal alone, you crack a deal for the entire team. That is exactly what you need to do even in your business. if at all you're not part of idea as of now, if at all you have a collective, collaborative team, entire the team you start promoting. That is where you will be able to build your credibility. Next, and the most important thing, here I'll try conveying about you. Assume you have a brother-in-law who's into police department. Now, because you saw your brother-in-law from 25 years, and because you're angry on your wife, you never respected your brother-in-law. Now, for you, whether he's in police department or whether he is in military, doesn't matter for you. But actually, in idea, there was a security guy who was looking for a police connect. Imagine if you bring him to this idea platform as a visitor, you don't value him. But that person who represents that police department and come to your platform will be a reason why hundreds will get connected, will be a reason why others are able to get managed. It means you bought one visitor was the reason why another 5 members got business. That is exactly where I'm trying to say. You may not value the connects which you have. You might not respect the connects which you have. Open your cell phone, 5,000 connects are there. Don't you think that at least 5 members you can get visitors? Get them as visitor. They will be helpful for your other members. In fact, whenever you feel that I'm not able to give it to any idea members, get visitors. They will be a reason why others will make business. And again, they will be able to bring that credibility. And for all that to happen, you need to ensure you open up your connect and you need to close it. It means you're able to understand the synchronization. Every small thing which we are trying to do over here is connected. That is exactly where I'm saying how important this network is. Before I close on the last area of it, I would like to give a small narration. I would like to narrate a small story over here about this particular situation. If you ask me, let me think and come back to idea. Let me see if at all I want it later. For all those people, I'll have a small story which is supposed to be addressed here. Somewhere in 2008, I remember I was in Chennai. I was working as an intern for this company. I don't know if you've heard of this company called as Ramco Cements. Ramco Cements is one of the company which has IT industry as well. I don't know how many of you are aware of it. They have an IT base. They built an ERP solution and they had almost 1,500 employees in Chennai and they were dealing with it. I was their representative for one of the contracts. So this particular contract which they were cracking are the one who are manufacturing rocket boosters for all the rockets which got launched from India. These were the one who were manufacturing it. For that company, when we went, I cracked the deal on behalf of them. For the same, they invited for a green park for the ceremony. When I went there, that is a season. I don't know how many of you are aware. 2008 was the time when India was hit with recession. That was a global recession time. Entire market was crashed. Especially IT industry was collapsing because India was dependent on too much of IT from West, and Western countries, they stopped passing on the contract and we collapsed. That is a time where India was also part of being affected. And that is the time when 2008, when everyone was affected, I was part of this Green Park ceremony. When I was going around, a lot of ERP vendors and ERP competitors were part of the meeting. You'll not believe, everyone was depressed. Whichever part of the table I was being seated, wherever I go, they used to talk, sir, it's done, it's collapsed. I went for the second group. They said, do you think we should continue in IT again? The third table, they said, I think I'm stopping it. It's not even worth. It was so negatively going on. But one table, there was only a single person who was being seated. I thought, let me network with him. I went and sat next to him and asked, you're part of this meeting. Why is it you're smiling? He said, no, nothing. I told, are you part of IT? He told, yes, sir. Even I have an IT company where 120 members of employees are working. So I'm part of an IT company. Then I asked, but when everyone are crying there because of this IT industry failure, you're smiling at it. He told, exactly, sir. If IT industry is failing, that is why I'm smiling. I told, are you confused? He told, no, I'm not confused. I'm well and aware about it. I asked, when entire industry is failing, how can you be aware and smiling and say it is good for you? He told, look, when market crashes is a time where you can make money. When things go wrong is a time when things can actually fall in place. When everything is lost is a time where you need to have a hope. You are thinking everything crashed. I'm seeing what big can come up in future, what next can come up in future. And that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm sure when everyone are thinking about leaving IT industry, thinking about moving out of it. I'm looking about how Facebook is coming. I'm looking about how new apps are being developed. I'm looking about how world is moving towards technology. It means there's a huge future when everyone are moving out of the industry. Sir, I'm the kingpin. They all have 1,000 employees. I might be 100. Trust me, in another 5 years, I will have more than them and I'll do better than them. Imagine, that is exactly what I'm talking about. Due to COVID, you all are wondering what to do. And here, IDEA members are smiling because they have a network. They have a net worth. They have a contacts. They have a cash flow. They have a team. They have a promoters. They have the marketeer. Then why do you think people over here will, feel bad about it? That's exactly where I said IDEA stands for identifying demand early and then attempt it. You need to identify the demand super early. It may be that business networks are a lot, and from long sense, what matters is you as a person, are you able to make difference? If yes, enter the stream and make a difference. As a trainer, as a mentor, my responsibility is to ensure to convey what is right, but the decision still stands on you. As a business mentor, I represent myself as a business doctor because I work exclusively with companies which are crashed, where companies are making losses. I am, as a turnaround expert, helping companies to turn it around. Even there, I will not go sit and advise. I will suggest. I will give my opinion. For the reason, decision should always be yours. If you take a wrong decision, it's you. If you take a right decision, again, it is you. It is me who didn't make any difference because you are a decision maker. Take a right decision, because we always say that right decision at the right time makes a right success to you. And for you to be successful, you are here as a person to take a decision. Think how you can make a difference. Alas, if you are an IDEA member, understand you are here to utilize the max. And if you're not able to utilize it, that is simply because you didn't identify the power of this group. You didn't understand the power of the tools which are here. You didn't understand the successful members around you, how they'll be able to make difference to you. That is exactly where I said, you come here as a platform, grow, nurture, nourish, things you will be able to make difference. With this, I would like to conclude with one solid statement to you. Entrepreneurs will retire happily. Entrepreneurs will be successful happily, provided you have a network and you are sitting in a network and make the max out of it. With this, I would like to conclude and thank you. Thanks a lot for all the members who were busy understanding and writing and making a note of it. I'm sure this is not just about IDEA Network. This is about you and your business as well. I'm sure you will make that difference with it. Thank you. Thanks a lot. This is Shamsan representing iSpeak as Business Doctor. And yes, you will make a difference. Thank you.